Yeah, man, ain't got another order in. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man, got another order in. This coming from Printful. Let me tell you something. My fault, y'all. I'm in the studio trying to cook up something. You know what I'm talking about? That brown chicken and tech TV. But yeah, man, I just got some shirts here from the company I use to order my shirts. I know I'm not a big business right now, but you know, baby steps first, and this is what I'm going through. So you know, label box, man. I had ordered me like 12 shirts, so cut to the chase. I'm gonna open this shit. You feel? Alright, so I had ordered a total of 12 shirts. You know what I'm saying? My own brand. I had ordered 3 small, 3 medium, 3 large, 3 XL. You feel me? So shoot, you know, just a standard shirt, man. These 20 a pop when you see me in the street. Now I got the website too. That's what Printful allows. It allows you to connect to another dropshipping online website. You do your business through there, make your own website. So 20 for the pop trunk price, you know what I'm saying, in your face price. You feel me? Online they going for 29, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I like Printful a lot, man. You know, if I don't want to order, cause some companies, man, you gotta order a minimum of 30 shirts or 40 shirts, man. Printful, they don't really have a minimum, so you order how many ever you want. In this case, man, I ordered 12, so man, hope this review helped. Check out that Brown, you know what I'm talking about. Twitter, Instagram, well, Instagram is the Twist, ITSDA Twist, man. Frequency clothing, raise your vibrations, change your life, oh boy. And we out, man. Church.